Alright guys, so we have cassava balls right here. These are pink and this one's gonna be red. She spent 120, so basically she has to sell all these to get her money back, and then this is gonna be all profit, financial. So basically the same 100, right? You're gonna make 50 peso profit now, because you're gonna sell 2 for 5.
No, I saw how this one.
Okay. Well, we'll see. We're gonna get the steamer and see what they look like in the steamer.
Come on, let's go.
Alright guys, so my wife is making the second batch. Wow. Come on baby, show off. It's your time to shine. This is your time to tell YouTube why to marry Filipina. So yeah, so I already got the water in here on the steamer. Check out the new steamer. Oh yeah, I know. And then we just lift this one, and then we're gonna place them right here, and ta-da! We'll see how long it takes. Hapak the like button. Alright guys, so let's start up the engine, and then we're gonna start putting some right here. Nah.
Give me that.
Okay guys, here it is. Alright guys, so I just got the Lambo tire this morning. Cabrón. Okay, so it's a 90/90 14. Yeah. So let's unwrap it, see what it looks like. Man, I'm excited guys. Thank you for the ones who supported the channel, guys. I was able to buy the Lambo tire. Now the Lambo's gonna be in style. I mean, look, I still gotta pick up the Lambo from the bus station, guys. I haven't got it since last night because I got home at 4 in the morning. And I'm helping my wife with the bola bolas. So let's see, maybe we're gonna put it on today. All right, ta-da! Hey guys, and I did it on the live, but this is what they did while I was gone. Everything right here, nothing is touched. They didn't come to work today, but look at all this. It looks pretty nice. What y'all think? It looks nice or not? Tone it down. Looks pretty smooth, pretty nice, guys. Look, guys, she already put them right here. What do you want? This one? This one is. She already put them there for sale. 2 por 5 pesos. Aquí vienen otros. Man, it's already raining, bro. Alright guys, so they want 5 pesos. 2 for 5. Okay. The guy, he's making corn. With the fire and everything. Afuera. Let's see what else is going on. Well, it's starting to rain, so it's rainy weather. I guess it's a corn type of day.
Salamat, Choy, ha?
Pero may na lang ay anak.
Oh yeah, they got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corns? 4.
Magpatay kita. Ito, kapanday. Kapanday, magmigitugot niya lagahan. Kuya, buka mga yun.
Someone is saying something over there. We got the Lambo tire today, rear tire. Let's open it. Let's see what it looks like.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
I can't wait to.
Wait back, let me check my.
You paused it? Oh my God.
Let's go. Wow, tires sealant. Okay.
900 pesos, guys.
Yeah.
With freebie.
Yep. Baby, be careful down bend.
Let me open this one. Oh yeah, look. Wow.
Post.
Guys, so this is what we got. We got a new one. Then this is what the tire looks like. Look at this beauty, guys. 90-90-14. Okay guys, they got the Lambo. We're gonna put the new tires right here, guys. So the rear is 150. Wow. Alright guys, I forgot to vlog because I was talking to the owner. Look, this is the old tire. Hello. This is the old tire, right? And then they don't took everything off. And I already told him about this one. He said he could put a smaller one where it's gonna lower the Lambo, which is good because if they lower the Lambo, you know, then the Chinita can jump on the Lambo easier, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this one needs to be changed too. So they took all of the things, and then there it goes. There goes the tire. So yeah, he was telling me if I lower it, I can put a smaller one. It's just gonna lower the bike. But I think that's what I'm gonna do, because then my wife can get on it easier. So lo que estoy diciendo que a lo mejor le estoy poniendo la llanta ahorita, y lo que están diciendo que le puedo poner otro de este más pequeño. Ay, güey. Y a la misma vez le digo que está bien porque... Ok, aquí ya me lo termina con la Lambo. No se mira como que así va. Ahí va nuevecita la llanta, mira. Ya mero, ya mero. I'm gonna show you around. Le voy a enseñar aquí una vueltita cómo se mira. Pero sí, aquí andamos. They're almost done, guys. Ya me lo acaba ahí.